What do I have to show to be successful in a product liability case?
The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain.
If you have been injured by a defective product, you have to be able to prove that the product had an unreasonably dangerous defect that caused your injury, or lacked the proper warning or instructions for safe usage. As stated above, defects can come into play either in the design or in the manufacturing stages of product development. You must also prove that the injury took place while the product was used in the manner in which it was intended, and that the product had not been substantially changed from the condition in which it was originally purchased. These tenets are held under a doctrine of the law commonly known as strict liability.
For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group, PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group, PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.